BNT411 for small cell lung cancer. Here is a quick summary about the trial. This trial is testing a new cancer treatment that uses a protein to help the immune system kill cancer cells. Here is the timeline for this study. Screening will take approximately 3 weeks to see if you qualify. Timeline for the treatment varies by patient. After you enter the trial, you will be asked to share data with the trial for a total of up to 3 years. Who is eligible to participate in the trial? To qualify, a few things must be true for you. You must have the following: you have a type of cancer that has spread or cannot be removed by surgery, and there are no standard treatments available that can help you. For both Part 1A and Part 1B, adequate hematologic function at screening is determined by WBC greater than or equal to 3 by 10 to the power of 9/L, ANC greater than or equal to 1.5 by 10 to the power of 9/L. Patient may not use G-CSF or GM-CSF to achieve these WBC and ANC levels. Platelet count greater than or equal to 100 by 10 to the power of 9/L, HGB greater than or equal to 9.0 g/dl. You have a type of lung cancer called extensive stage small cell lung cancer, SSCLC, that has not been treated with chemotherapy before. If you have had chemotherapy or radiotherapy for LSSCLC, you need to wait at least 6 months after your last treatment before participating in this study. For both Part 1A and Part 1B, adequate hepatic function at screening is determined by total bilirubin less than or equal to 1.5 mg/dl, or less than or equal to 2.0 mg/dl for patients with known Gilbert syndrome, AST, and ALT less than or equal to 2.5x ULN, or less than or equal to 5x ULN in patients with metastatic liver disease. Now, let's talk more about the treatment. There are a total of 3 treatment groups, including 3 experimental groups. There are no active control groups in this trial. There is no placebo for this trial. Patients who enter this trial have a 100% chance of receiving the study drug. There are 3 notable highlights for this trial. 1. No placebo-only group. All patients enrolled in this study will receive some form of active treatment. 2. All individual drugs already approved. Therapies where all constituent drugs have already been approved are likely to have better understood side effect profiles. 3. Approved for 5 other conditions. This treatment demonstrated efficacy for 5 other conditions. Where is the study being run? This trial is enrolling patients across 3 locations, including Greenville, South Carolina, Chicago, Illinois, Los Angeles, California. Here is more information about the study. Did you know that of the previous patients applying to this trial, 100% are older than 65? For patients who have previously applied to this trial and 100% live in South Carolina. Discover more information about the trial and apply through our website at www.withpower.com.